Hindi nyo siguro alam pero itong resto na kakainan natin today actually started right after World War II. Yep, 1946 pa. Sa panahong nagre-rebuild ang Japan, may isang maliit na shop sa Osaka na nagbibigay ng comfort food sa mga tao. At yan ang naging Boteju. So today, nandito tayo sa Boteju SM San Lazaro. And if you love Japanese food, prepare for some cool trivia. Boteju is actually one of the pioneers of modern okonomiyaki. Because of the food shortage, they turned simple flour and water pancakes into a staple dish for the people in Osaka. The founder, Nishino, even introduced something revolutionary at that time, mayonnaise on okonomiyaki, which nobody was doing yet. And as Japan began to recover and grow, Boteju created new dishes like modern yaki or okosoba, combining okonomiyaki and yakisoba into one iconic meal. From a post-war survival recipe to Japanese food innovation, Boteju became a big part of Osaka's food culture. And here's the fun part. The name Boteju comes from the sound of cooking okonomiyaki, the sound of flipping the okonomiyaki, and the sizzling sound habang niluluto. Ang kulit, diba? From that tiny Osaka shop, Boteju eventually grew into a global Japanese comfort food brand. And now, kasama na natin siya sa SM San Lazaro. For today, simple lang pero sulit. We tried their bento meals para 1 box variety agad. We ordered 2 sets, Sakura and Hokkaido. For Sakura bento, this includes stewed beef, tempura, grilled barbecue pork. Sobrang lambot ng beef, tapos yung tempura, crispy and light. Sarap ng combination. Tapos sa Hokkaido naman, may gyoza, botekara or yung chicken karage, tapos may grilled barbecue pork din. Nagustuhan ko dito yung gyoza nila, perfectly done. And to complete the meal, we also ordered miso soup. Hindi yan nawawala sa akin kapag nasa Japanese restaurant. So if you're around SM San Lazaro, check out Boteju, a Japanese restaurant with more than 75 years of history, classic flavors, and hearty meals. This is definitely worth the stop.